What is up, everyone? Welcome to part 4, where we start structuring out the rest of the song and adding in a little bit of this and that. But we'll also be in part 5 adding effects and more filler sounds. But I'm going to start chopping up these Yamaha sounds and structuring out the song. I did add a post drop, so it's basically half the drop after it. And this is usually where I mix in the next song. So this usually overlaps with like this or this of another song, and then we get mixed into the break idea or into the build idea. It just depends on how I want to mix the songs and how the songs fit. But it's always good to add a little groovy, dancey, basic area after the drop to, help with the mixing or break it down to silence. And then you could just hard cut to a new song. But I like when songs overlap and they groove together. So that's why I did this. So if you listen. And another thing I want to add real quick is a sub for the drop. So, and the post drop. So if we add this, and then Control J that, and then open it, go down one more octave, and then drag that over. The sub is obviously very loud. There's two things I like to do to contain it. And when you hear that pop, you gotta drag over a little bit on the end. I also like to make it even harder than the other bass sounds. And another thing I like to do on the kick, now that we have the kick going, is boost the kick a little bit. We could even add the bass saw to it. So we're gonna play it through and start adding in some of these elements up here. So, all right, so I went through and cut them all up and kind of got what I think I would use. So this is like a static sound, kind of like an old record static, but it's kind of like a stompy rhythm thing. I'm just gonna duplicate that over for the intro. And then take out low end of that. These we may use. I was thinking something like this right here. But on this, we'll put it down here and add some reverb to it. We could try ascend, try C. Alright, so I went through and chopped up all those Yamaha samples I resampled, and well, now this is what I have once I put that over there, possibly this right here. Alright, so let's listen to what I added and see how the structure is coming, see if we want to make any changes for this part of the tutorial. So there you have it. That is the structure of the song so far. Other than that, we'd probably duplicate the break idea or maybe just straight into a build. So we could go like... Or you could go from this. So then we could add this over. And then copy this over. Then we go into the break. Build. And then copy all this over to the drop. Oop. And then for the break and build, copy these over. And then we could do post, drop. And outro. Which then we could just kind of drop to something like this. That's weird. But on this, the opposite. So there you have it for the structure. And the next and last part is going, actually we'll do part 6 too. Do a quick master on it, but for the next part we'll do effects and more filler sounds to really tie this song up. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and click that thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Peace.